Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Komal and I create art and craft videos. So I'm going to make this box today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started. So I have already cut two sheets. I'm using ivory sheet here. You can use pastel sheet also. I'm going to paste these cutouts on the ivory sheet to enhance the look of the box. Now I'm applying Fevicol evenly. You need to put a good amount of Fevicol on the sheet and spread it evenly. This will ensure a seamless finish. Keep these sheets in between a book and put on some weights for them to stick nicely. So now they have glued together. I have already marked points to draw the line, as the length and breadth are 21 cm each, so we will divide them into three parts, that is 7 cm. Oops, I have cut it wrong. Thank God, I realized it halfway. So it's done. Now we will make the lid. For this, mark 2 cm from the borders. This is it, guys. Please like and share the video and let me know about your opinion in the comment section. Also, share your recreation with me on Instagram. I would love to hear from you and see your recreations. Till then, bye bye.